Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jeff and this is GIS Chops. I recently had a comment on a video from a user named CherrySam7962 asking if I could please show how if I click a bookmark that it will fly through to the bookmark's location. I'll just demonstrate what the desired result is. So here we are in San Francisco. I've got a bookmark here for Oakland. If I double click that, it smoothly pans to Oakland, and that's the desired effect that Cherry Sam, I don't know if it's Cherry Sam or Sherry Sam 7962, what they were after. So that's the desired effect, and I'm going to show you how to obtain that. And here's another little trick. This is how I got my bookmark pane to be down here at the bottom of my TOC. If you come to the Map tab, and here you have your bookmarks button. If you click this drop down, you have this manage bookmarks, and that's going to open up that pane, and then you can dock it anywhere you want. I put it down here at the bottom of my table of contents. So that's how you get that down there. I learned that at the user conference, not this year, but the year before. So I went and shut off that functionality so you can see what it's going to look like when you open up your options. And that's where we want to go. We want to go to the options, and you can do that a couple ways. You can come here to project, come down here to options right there. Or the fastest way is I usually get to it through this selection group. That little pop out will bring out the options. So this is where you want to be in the options, and then you want to select the navigation menu. Is it a tab or a menu? I don't know. Anyway, select navigation on the left, and that brings up all these different options. This is the one you're going to want. So you have a range of 0 to 10 seconds. So if I want it, I think I had it set to be 1 second before. If I set it to 1 second and then do Oakland, it takes a second to get there. You're not going to want to do 10 seconds, I don't think, because that's going to take a while. However, if you're going from Oakland to Washington, D.C., you can see it doesn't really show you anything. It just zips across, doesn't have time to render anything, and just gets there really quick. But if I go to Baltimore, it smoothly flies through it. If you're going long distances, you're going to want to bump that up. So let's try 10 seconds and see how it goes between Washington, D.C. and Oakland, or Baltimore and Oakland. So I'm going to double click Oakland, and it does show you stuff, but it doesn't go very far out. I don't know if that's an option, if that's available. If it isn't, it'd be nice if Esri could say, hey, if I'm zooming a long distance, I'd like you to get to this elevation and then come down. Like get to this elevation in the middle and come down from that. I don't know if that's possible. I couldn't see a way to do it right now. But there you go. That's how you can smoothly fly through bookmarks by panning to them. But you don't want 10 seconds between Oakland and San Francisco, because it's going to take forever. So there you go. That's how you can animate a fly through from bookmark to bookmark. Hope that helps you out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and definitely share this video with your colleagues. We'll see you next time.